Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some carrot juice. Yes, the other day I make a carrot punch and I add milk to it, but this one I'm gonna add sugar. Okay, so here I have my carrot. I already cut it. I'm just using just a bag of carrot, a medium size, and I'm gonna add 1 lemon, 1 lime, and ginger. This is the amount of ginger that I'm gonna use. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I peel my carrot. You can always use a knife. That's what I always use. But you know, these things is more faster, so I'll use them at times. You just wanna peel it like so. And you just wanna cut this part and then cut them up in round pieces, okay? Don't need this part. So that's perfect. So I'm gonna blend up my carrot with my ginger. So I'm just gonna cut my ginger up, and my ginger is already washed, guys, okay? Just cut them up in small pieces. I also love carrot with ginger and lemon and lime. It is so refreshing. So that's done. So now I'm gonna add my carrot and my ginger to my blender. And I'm gonna add at least 2 cups of water. That's it, you don't want to overfill it. So now I'm just gonna blend it all up. So this is what it looks like after I blend it all. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add it all to my jug, like so. So I just add my remaining carrot and ginger to my blender. So now I'm gonna add at least 1.5 cups of water. That's it. So everything is all blended up, guys. So here I have my glass bowl, and I also have a strainer. So now I'm just gonna strain it, okay? Then what you can do, you can just take your spoon and just try and press it down so it come right through. I'm gonna add some more. I believe I'm gonna strain it, guys, at least 3 times because I want it to be very smooth. So after you finish, squeeze it out. I'm gonna add it to a bowl right here. Then I'm just gonna carry on with the same process. And what you can do also, guys, you can add it all to your jug and then add some water to it, just a bit of water, because there is some still leave back, so you don't have to throw it all away as yet. So you see that? What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add some water, at least half cup of water. Then you just want to take your spoon and just mix it all up. And I'm just gonna carry on with the same process. Make sure you squeeze it all the way down. So this right here is finished, guys. I'm gonna pour it in the bin now. So that's done. So this is gonna be my second time straining it. Look at that. The color is amazing. So bright. You see that, guys? You don't want all these bits to be in your juice. So I'm gonna strain it another time, okay? And that's it. So it has been the 3rd time I strain it, guys. So now I'm just gonna squeeze my lime in my strainer, okay? Like so. Because you don't want no seed or any bits to get in your juice. And then now I'm gonna add my lemon. I'm gonna squeeze my lemon. Do you guys like your carrot juice with the sweetened with the condensed milk, or with sugar, or boil it? What do you guys prefer? To be honest, I don't mind. So that's done. So after I add the lemon and my lime, now guys, I'm just gonna sweeten it, okay? And I'm gonna add some granulated sugar. You can always use brown sugar. And guys, just sweeten it to your liking. If you want, you don't have to have no sugar, you know, if you want it to be more healthier. But me, I like add sugar to it because I don't really like it fresh. But you know, do whatever you prefer, okay? So I'm just gonna add my sugar. And as I said, taste it to your liking. It all depends how sweet you want it to be. It looks amazing. So refreshing. So now I'm just gonna taste it, guys. Just make sure you mix it all in so everything will all combine, okay? That's perfect, guys. It tastes nice. Only thing missing, to be honest, is some ice. Yeah, some ice, I'm a good to go. Yeah. But apart from that, it tastes nice. And it's, you know, it's not too sweet and not too fresh. Just perfect. So guys, here I have my glass. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add just a lemon on my glass for presentation. Then of course you're gonna need some ice because you want your carrot juice to be refreshing. And now guys, I'm just gonna pour my carrot juice to my glass. Oh my goodness, do you guys hear that? Super refreshing. It look amazing guys. Look at that. Homemade carrot juice, made easily. Look at that guys, so good. I'm gonna also add just a lime on the side that I cut, as I said, just for presentation. Okay. And guys, here I have just a wine glass, and I'm just gonna show you guys. You can also add some fresh mint to it. Okay, just remove it from the stem. You can add a lemon inside. Then you're gonna add some ice. Gonna add some more fresh mint. Then I'm just gonna pour it in my glass. Like so. So you can have it both way. Gonna add a piece of lime, some more fresh mint. So I hope you guys do enjoy this recipe. Don't forget guys to thumbs this video up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, so you can receive more delicious videos like these. And share this video guys to your families, your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. I work so hard just to get this video out for you guys, so please support my channel. And if you have been supporting my channel, I thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. Now I'm just gonna taste some. Do you want some guys? Taste some. You can drink some first. Is it nice? Don't worry, I got you guys. I'll drink some. Honestly guys, it is so refreshing. This is so good. You guys have to make this recipe. If you do try this recipe, comment below and tell me what it's like. Until next time, bye, stay blessed. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye guys, much love.